Oh, hello. Still reading The Stinky Cheese Man and Other Fairly Stupid Tales by Jon Scieszka and Lane Smith. And now, finally, we're on to The Stinky Cheese Man. Once upon a time, there was a little old woman and a little old man who lived together in a little old house. They were lonely. So the little old lady decided to make a man out of stinky cheese. She gave him a piece of bacon for a mouth and 2 olives for eyes and popped him in the oven to cook. When she opened the oven to see if he was done, the smell knocked her back. "Phew! What is that terrible smell?" she cried. The Stinky Cheese Man hopped out of the oven and ran to the door, calling, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the Stinky Cheese Man!" The little old lady and the little old man sniffed the air. "I'm not really very hungry," said the little old man. "I'm not really all that lonely," said the little old lady. So they didn't chase the Stinky Cheese Man. The Stinky Cheese Man just ran and ran until he met a cow eating grass in a field. "Wow, what is that awful smell?" said the cow. The Stinky Cheese Man said, "I've run away from a little old lady and a little old man, and I can run away from you too, I can. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the Stinky Cheese Man." The cow gave another sniff and said, "I'll bet you could give someone 2 or 3 stomach aches. I think I'll just eat weeds." Oh, he didn't like that smell, did he? So the cow didn't chase the Stinky Cheese Man either. The Stinky Cheese Man just ran and ran until he met some children playing outside school. "Gross!" said a little girl. "What's that nasty smell?" "I've run away from a little old lady and a little old man and a cow. And I can run away from you too, I can. Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the Stinky Cheese Man." A little boy looked up and sniffed. "If we catch him, our teacher will probably make us eat him. Let's get out of here." So the children didn't chase the Stinky Cheese Man either. By and by, the Stinky Cheese Man came to the edge of a river, and there was no bridge. "However will I cross this river? It's too big to jump, and if I try and swim across, I'll probably fall apart," said you-know-who. Just then, the sly fox, who shows up in a lot of stories like these, poked his head out of some bushes. Small tear in the book, which is a shame. "Why, just hop on my back, and I'll carry you across, Stinky Cheese Man." "Well, how do I know you won't eat me?" "Trust me," said the fox. So the Stinky Cheese Man hopped onto the fox's back. The fox swam to the middle of the river and said, "Oh, man, what is that funky smell?" The fox coughed, gagged, and sneezed, and the Stinky Cheese Man flew off his back and into the river, where he fell apart. The end. And that's all we've got from the Stinky Cheese Man. We're back to normal stories soon. Have fun. Cheerio.